Assalamu alaikum. It's day 2 of Ramadan. How was your first day of fasting? Mine was amazing. First, I woke up really early to meet my suhoor, which is the early meal of the day. Then, I read a whole bunch of Quran during the day. My tummy was getting more and more hungry as the time went by, but I kept my mind off of it by helping my mama cook in the kitchen, reading Quran, and memorizing my daily dua. Then, when it was time to eat, I rushed and ate some dates and then had a small meal. Then I prayed a long time for something called Taraweeh. It was the most wonderful day I've ever had so far in my life. And now is day 2. So while I'm fasting right now, I'm making you this video. And today's letter of the Ramadan Arabic alphabet is Ba. First is Alif, now Ba. Ba is very similar to the English letter B. It makes a B sound. B is for Bismillah. We say it before we start almost anything in our day. We say Bismillah right before we eat, drink, go into the house, cook, read Quran, and so much more. We say Ba for Bismillah before anything we do. So next time you start doing a daily task, you should stop and say Bismillah, which means in the name of Allah. You know what else starts with the letter Ba? Batta, which means duck. I'd like to eat me some batta right now. But I'm going to wait patiently because iftar is only a few hours away. Oh look, subhanallah, look what I found. It's a batta. Hey, this seems a little scary. It's blinding me, evil batta. Phew, that was close. And lastly, Ba is for bis. You know why? Because Cutie has kittens. Look how adorable and cute they are. This one's Cutie, and that one's Cutie, and Cutie, and Cutie, and Cutie. Oh yeah, and Blackie. Because he's black. See? Blackie. Well, I gotta go help my mom in the kitchen. We're making batta. Just not the evil batta, a nice one. And before we eat, we're going to say Bismillah. That's all for Abdullah's Ramadan alphabet. Until tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Mubarak again. Assalamu alaikum.